Right, ladies and gents, lads and lasses, welcome to the 7th of January 2021. We are in a New Holland T5. Cold start time. It's been cold last night. Been about -4, 3, 4. Took me 20 minutes to get into my Land Rover this morning. Door rubbers had frozen, lock had frozen. So I'd seen out the 70s, but I will show you one more bit that makes it more like the 70s. Anyway, let's see how we get on. And give her a minute just to warm the coils up, glow plugs up. Right, so that's one started. We've got this for air. I don't know if anyone's old enough to remember this, but starter pack, and she's being kept warm with 3 hot water bottles. There's another one out back. Hopefully the girl starts. Cow farmer Dan very kindly gave me the instructions on how to do the tappets on her, so when we get time I'll try and get that done. For the moment, well, yeah, not ideal, far from ideal, but we'll see. Hopefully she gets going and then we can move some poop. Absolutely nothing. It does help if you take them out of gear, so it's in neutral to should start. Right, job done. Just a quick scrape over the top, try and level it out a bit. Basically it just stops all the water sitting in the tram lines where the tractor's been and making it a complete muddy mess. This way at least it kind of flows off a bit. So yeah, heaps reduced. What we'll do as well while she's going is I've got some wood chips to try and put onto the path that's just there, just to try and give a bit more grip. So, we'll go empty the New Holland first and then we'll get back onto some wood chip, hopefully. While we're still frozen, I thought I'd come down here and get this knocked out as well. I think I quite a plan. We emptied it quite well. That's first. That's the first time she's ever decided to throw it all over the back of my tractor. The worst thing is, I don't know why, but that lid's just suddenly closed as well. That shouldn't have happened. I presume there's a bit of water in there. Yeah, well, if that didn't give me an excuse to clean the bloody tractor, I'm going to go on the other side, see the other side. Not worried about muck spreader, she's about empty now. That'll do me. You fill up with water again. But, I do wonder about myself sometimes. Right, next job. I've got a load of hay on the back. Let's see. Hopefully you can see. Just running them down to the village. We've had somebody down there with a couple of horses and some sheep. Just asking if we had some hay, so there's 8 bales in the back and I'm going to drop them off for her.